So you're gonna need a tire lever, some tools to take your wheel off, and a new tire if your tire's like ripped or destroyed or damaged in any way. My tire's flat. What am I gonna do? Well, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your flat tire. So, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take off the wheel with the flat tire on it. Step 1, complete. So now you're gonna take your tire lever and you're gonna take the tire off the wheel. When you have one side off, if you have a fat tire like me, you can sort of just pull the wheel out, kind of, like that. And then you're gonna take your inner tube out, and I don't know what you want to do with the inner tube, just do whatever. So now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna get your new or old tire, and you're gonna want to put one side of it on with the tire lever. So put one side of it onto the rim with the tire lever.
I got stung by a bee.
Uncle Weirdy!
Now, that you have one side on, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your brand new inner tube and put it in the tire. Now, what you gotta do at this part of the process is you have to make sure that this valve cap right here aligns with this hole in your rim right here. Yeah.
This is damn cat.
Crikey! It's big!
Hey, boy. Get out of here, boy. No. No.
Okay, so you want to make sure that the valve cap aligns with the valve cap hole in your wheel rim. I need to deflate this more.
Crikey, it was big.
Tire on, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the other half of the tire on with the tire lever. Like so. It helps if your tire isn't like quite as mental as this one.
Crikey!
Now that you've got your tire on and your inner tube on, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it back on your bicycle, then you're gonna pump it up with a bike pump.
Wow. Ow.
If you don't have wrenches, you can do this.
Because we're pickles. Look how crooked this is.
Yeah, my wheel's really untrue. I think this is working. Okay, so next what you're going to want to do is lie the bike on its side so you can get good leverage on the pump. Make sure you read the PSI amount on the side of the tire for proper safety. Okay.
And now you're done.
No, you're not done yet. You gotta put the valve cap on.
Well then, it's right here.
Always remember, lefty tighty, righty loosey.
And now you're done.